Hey beauties, so today I'll be showing you a super quick and easy bun updo using Marley hair. I'm starting on an old bun hawk that I did, and I'm just going to lightly mist my hair, well really heavily mist my hair with water just to get it nice and moisturized and ready for when I apply my gel. And then I'm just going to take my hands and work that water through. I always like to use water as my base. And now I'm going to go in with my leave-in. Of course, I'm using my TGIN, and I'm just going to apply that all over my hair, on the front, back, ends, and everything. And now I'm going to go in with my Cantu moisturizer and apply that all over my hair as well. Now I'm going to go in with my black Castor and Flaxseed Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to apply that all over the roots of my hair, on the back and the front, just to make sure that my ponytail will be nice and sleek. And I really love this Eco Styler gel. It really leaves my hair nice and soft and doesn't have it all hard like the green one does. So I'm just going to begin to prep my hair to get it into a ponytail, and I'm going to take it and brush my hair with my soft bristle brush. And for this style, I decided I wanted to do a high ponytail, so I'm going to brush my hair up as high as I can get it. And then I'm going to secure it with a hair tie. And if you have a lot of hair like I do, you know that this is such a struggle. So I'm just going to do all I can just to get my hair all into this ponytail. And then I'm going to separate the ponytail in two and begin twisting down and wrap it into a bun. So now that my bun is in place, I'm going to mist my edges with water again and apply some more gel, just again to make sure that my ponytail is nice and sleek. And I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and just brush my hair up again. So after I've brushed all my hair up, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my edges. I did a separate tutorial, a really detailed tutorial on how I do my baby hair, so look out for that video. And then I'm just going to tie my edges down so that they can be nice and in place. And while I tie my edges down, I'm going to get started on doing my bun using the Marley hair. So this is the Marley hair I got. I decided to get it in the shade 27 because that's what matches my hair the closest. And I'm just going to take the hair by the rubber band that's at the top and put that rubber band around my bun. And then I'm just going to use the hair to try to kind of cover my bun and conceal it a little bit just to make the bun look a little more natural. And then I'm just going to wrap the hair around. And I'm really just going to kind of play with the hair and play with the bun just to get it to my liking. You know, buns are super hard to get, and it's always when you're trying to go somewhere and in a rush, it never wants to act right, but we're gonna make it do what it do. And then I'm just gonna take my bobby pins and secure that bun once I get it in place. Alright, so now that my bun is nice and in place, I'm going to remove my headscarf and see what them edges are looking like. And they are laid for the gods, honey. Look at them baby hairs. Make sure you check out that tutorial on how I do it because it's lit. So this is the final look. I love this style. The bun is super chic. It's a quick style that you can do when you're on the go and on the run. And it's really just something cute, casual, classy. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below what your favorite hairstyle is for when you're, in a rush, on the go. And I will see you all in my next video. Also, don't forget to put them hoops on because you can't have a high bun without the hoops. All right? I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all for watching and supporting your girl. Deuces, beauties.